Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by making sure the phone is ready. Plug in or confirm battery is at least 50% and connect to reliable Wi-Fi. Once done, back up your contacts, photos, and settings to Samsung Cloud or a local backup so you can restore if needed. Next, open Settings and tap Software Update to start checking. You're initiating the process now. This prevents interruptions and preserves your data while the device downloads the update in the background. When the update is listed, tap Download and Install and let the phone retrieve the package. You should be on Wi-Fi to avoid cellular charges. While downloading, keep the device awake and avoid heavy use. The installer verifies files to prevent corruption. After download completes, confirm Install now or Schedule at night. Your phone will prepare and then reboot. Make sure you don't remove the battery or force restart during installation, because interrupting this step can cause software issues. Once installation finishes and the phone boots, check Settings right arrow about phone to confirm the new build and security patch level. You should see updated version numbers. If apps misbehave, clear app cache or update apps from Galaxy Store. If the device stalls during boot, try a force restart, hold power and volume down. For persistent failures, connect to a PC and use Samsung's Smart Switch or visit a service center. These options restore firmware safely while preserving or reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.